See how LabLab AI Hackathon winners use the Cohere Coral model, LangChain technology, and Weaviate technology to create groundbreaking apps in areas such as nutrition, cancer research, and web interaction. Need a diet tailored to your health? Bite, our champion personalized nutrition with AI, making healthy eating simple and smart. Searching for breakthroughs in cancer research? Cancer AI, in second place, accelerates discoveries with its AI-powered bioinformatics tool. Want seamless website interactions? OrbChat, our third winner, offers intelligent AI-driven chatbots for an enhanced user experience. Seeking more refined AI interactions? RagFusion, a top finalist, delivers nuanced, context-aware AI responses for better engagement. Exploring the depths of sacred texts? Tadabur, a distinguished finalist, uses AI for a deeper, reflective understanding of the Quran. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.